Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sarai and I upload videos every Wednesday. Today's video is me showing you guys how I remove my makeup. I cannot stress to you guys how important it is for us to remove our makeup every night before we go to bed. This is a chance where we allow our skin to breathe. So we always want to make sure we're removing everything off. It is really important. So without further ado, let's start removing all this makeup off. So I like to start off by using this Burt'S cleansing oil balm. So since I am wearing very bright red lipstick, which is my favorite, I like to go ahead and just grab a little bit and kind of just put it over my lips. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a wipe and just try to take off as much of the lipstick that I can. So I try not to use makeup wipes as much just because I've heard they're really bad. They can be harsh on your skin or even bad for the environment. But sometimes I will grab one and kind of just try to remove any makeup that I can. I don't go all crazy, but just kind of like remove the surface. So once I do that, I obviously still have a lot of makeup. Because I was wearing really bright lipstick, I decided to grab a wipe. But normally, if it's not that bright, I usually don't even use a makeup wipe. So I'm going to go back in with my cleansing oil balm and I just grab a little bit and I kind of just start putting it over my face and kind of just start massaging it. It is an oil cleansing balm, so it is literally just kind of like dissolving everything. This is why I like it. But if you need more, a little bit more, don't be afraid to go back in and grab it. Like I said, it's really important to take all your makeup off, so we want to get rid of it as much as possible. I also do like how it smells. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it smells pretty good. You can see, but it looks kind of greasy right here. So I'm going to go ahead and close my eyes and kind of just rub my eyes. You don't want to get any product in your eyes because like I said, it will irritate your eyes. So as you guys can see, I look like a freaking raccoon, but everything comes off pretty easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I need to bring my camera in here so I guys can show you guys because I know my bathroom is really dark and it doesn't show you guys as much. But as you guys can see, I had the product all over my face, and when I was washing my face, all I did is I grabbed water and I kind of started going all over like that. And as you guys can see, like a lot of the makeup came off. So that's why I like it, because it just kind of brings everything off. The next step I like to do is just grab a little bit of like soap, just like either body soap or just like regular soap, and I like to grab this thing right here. So I had the little machine that would, you know, like clean your face, but I didn't really like it, so I threw it away. I just like the little brush. So I'll go ahead and grab some soap, and I just like to go like this to make sure I just have everything off. After I wash my face with just regular soap, I do like to go in with the water-based face wash, and I really like the You to the People. So this is the one I've been liking. You can get this at Sephora, but it's like sold out all the time, so you actually have to go You to the People's website. I don't remember how much it was, but I remember personally for me, it was kind of more of a pricier for a face wash, just because I usually don't tend to splurge on a face wash. I usually kind of just buy like, you know, like $10 face washes, but I did splurge on this one because everyone was talking about how good it was. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna go do right now. And I'm back. As you guys can see, my face is all wet, and you want to go in and pat dry your face. So as you guys can see, it removed all my makeup pretty fast. That is why I love using the cleansing balm. The only thing, like I said, you want to be really careful not to get it in your eyes. So at this point, I just like to go in with the Q-tip and see if my makeup is gone, and if I have anything, this is just how I remove it. I will go ahead and sometimes just grab a little bit of rose water and kind of spray these Q-tips and just go around my eye area. And you want to be careful with this section just because this is the most like sensitive part of our face. As you guys can see, my makeup is completely gone. You guys could go in with the cotton spot and kind of see if you guys still have makeup. This is what works for me. So after my face is washed, I have been using this tretinool face cream. You can only get this with prescription. I got this from Mexico. Apparently in Mexico you don't need a prescription, but this is what I've been using. I've seen that it's really good for wrinkles and all that. If you guys are going to be using this, make sure you guys do your own research because it can be very drying on the skin, so you want to start with a little bit of product. I am doing a video on this, so I will have more information about this and how it worked on my skin. It can be very drying on your skin, so just make sure you guys are moisturizing your face after using this. Also, if you're pregnant or trying to have a baby, you shouldn't be using this. Like I said, make sure you guys do your research, just because what might work for someone might not work for everyone. So I like to go in with about a pea size amount and kind of just put it on my skin. And I like to put it in right away because it is very drying, so I feel like it's hard to blend in once you put it on your skin. Like I said, I will be having a video on this. I've just been recording as I have been using it. I've been using it twice a week. I usually do like Wednesdays and Saturdays. But I just want to make sure it's all over my skin. And another thing is you want to be very careful not to get it in your eyes. So I kind of just try to go right down here, but I don't put it on top of my eyelids or anything. I just kind of go around. Just be very careful. Again, do your own research. If you go out the next day, you want to make sure you're using sunscreen. After I have that, I like to wait 15 to 20 minutes to have that product like soak into my skin. And then I go in with a moisturizer. So we're gonna wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll be right back. I like to go in with this Clinique eye cream right under my eyes. This is usually kind of just apply it right there. I am totally out right now. So as you guys can see, I actually use this a lot, but I need a new one. But that is what I do. So I put that all around my eyes right here, making sure we're trying to prevent all those wrinkles. The next product I like to use is this Rose Deep Hydration from, I believe I got it at Sephora. So I kind of just like to go in and make sure I put it all over my face. Just to make sure it's very hydrated, especially with using the retinol cream. And don't forget to put chapstick, Vaseline, something on your lips so your lips can be moisturized as well. And it feels super nice and clean. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how I remove my makeup. Just remember, guys, it is really important for you guys to take your makeup off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what are some of your favorite products to take your makeup off. What do you suggest for me to check out? Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week.